Microsoft Office is a powerful suite of productivity tools used for document creation, data management, presentations, and communication. This tutorial will provide an in-depth look at Microsoft Office applications, their features, and how to use them effectively. 1. Microsoft Word is a word processor used for creating and editing documents. Features: text formatting, fonts, styles, colors, tables and bullet points, page layout and margins, spelling and grammar check, collaboration and track changes, templates for resumes, reports, and letters. Open Word and select a blank document or template. Use the toolbar to format text, add images, and insert tables. Save your document in various formats such as DOCX or PDF. Use review tools for editing and collaboration. 2. Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet and data analysis. Excel is used for data organization, calculations, and financial analysis. Features: spreadsheets with rows and columns, formulas and functions, sum, average, VLOOKUP, data visualization, charts, and graphs, pivot tables and data filtering, conditional formatting. Open Excel and create a new spreadsheet. Enter data into cells and use formulas to automate calculations. Apply charts and graphs for data visualization. Save and share reports in XLSX or CSV format. 3. Microsoft PowerPoint, presentation design. PowerPoint is used to create engaging slideshows and business presentations. Key features: slide layouts and templates, text, images, and multimedia integration, animations and transitions, speaker notes, and slideshow mode, collaboration and sharing options. You can open PowerPoint and choose a template. Add slides with text, images, and graphics. Apply animations and transitions for visual appeal. Save as PPTX or export as a video. 4. Microsoft Outlook, email and calendar. Outlook is an email client with calendar and task management features. Features: email organization with folders and filters, calendar scheduling and reminders, contact management, integration with Microsoft Teams and OneDrive, spam filtering and security features. Just Outlook and set up your email account. Compose and send emails with attachments. Schedule meetings and events in the calendar. Manage tasks and contacts efficiently. 5. Microsoft OneNote, note-taking and organization. OneNote is a digital notebook for capturing and organizing notes. Features: freeform note-taking with text, images, and handwriting. Notebooks, sections, and pages for organization. Collaboration with shared notebooks. Integration with other Office apps. Create a new notebook and add sections pages. Type or handwrite notes and insert media. Use tags for easy organization. Sync across devices with cloud storage. 6th. Microsoft Access, database management. Access is used to create and manage databases. Key features: table creation for structured data storage, forms and reports for data entry and visualization, queries for data retrieval, integration with Excel and other data sources. Just create a new database and define tables. Use queries to filter and retrieve data. Design forms for user-friendly data entry. Generate reports for analysis. 7. Microsoft Teams, communication and collaboration. Teams is a platform for virtual meetings, messaging, and collaboration. Features: chat and video conferencing, file sharing and co-editing, integration with Office apps, customizable workspaces. Just create or join a team. Start a chat, voice, or video call. Share files and collaborate in real time. Schedule and join meetings with Outlook integration. 8. Microsoft Publisher, desktop publishing. Publisher is used for creating professional layouts and print materials. Features: templates for brochures, newsletters, and flyers, advanced typography and design tools, image and shape manipulation, print-ready output. Just choose a template or create a blank design. Add text, images, and branding elements. Format layout with alignment tools. Export for print or digital distribution. 9. Microsoft OneDrive, cloud storage and file sharing. OneDrive is a cloud service for storing and sharing files securely. Features: 5 GB free storage, more with subscription. File synchronization across devices. Sharing permissions and collaboration. Backup and version history. Just upload files to OneDrive for cloud access. Share files with specific users or teams. Sync files with your computer for offline access. Restore previous file versions when needed. Conclusion: Microsoft Office is an essential suite for productivity. I recommend to buy from windowskey.eu, whether for personal, academic, or business use. By mastering these applications, you can streamline tasks, enhance collaboration, and improve efficiency. Explore each tool, practice regularly, and integrate them into your workflow for maximum productivity.